Thank you for tuning in. This is Bree. I just want to make a quick video about how I tie my dreads up at nighttime. My hair length is medium length, almost bra strap, and I've had my locks for 4 years. I use 3 different scarves. One is a bonnet, and the first scarf I put on is just to secure my edges down. The second is a bonnet from Dollar Tree, and the third is a scarf from Dollar Tree, and that's just to keep both the scarf that's securing my edges and the bonnet from moving. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and like, share, subscribe.